How to change your Instagram username. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the username of your Instagram account. So to do that, first of all, go to your Instagram app. And now once you've opened the app, simply go to your profile by tapping the bottom right corner of your screen. And now simply tap on edit profile. Now there you'll see an option named username. So in order to change your username, simply tap on it. And now remember one thing, that you won't be able to change your username 2 times within 14 days. So if you have changed your username within the past 14 days, you won't be able to change it now. So you'll only be able to change your username once every 14 days. If you meet the requirement, you can simply enter whatever username you like to be on your Instagram account. And once you've done that, simply tap on the tick option which is on the top right corner of your screen, and you'll have successfully changed the username of your Instagram account. And once you've changed your username today, you won't be able to change it for the next 14 days. So only after the next 14 days have passed, you will be able to come back here and then change your username again. So that is basically how you change your username on Instagram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.